In this video, I'm going to show you how to use table. So let's say you got y equals x squared minus 5x plus 7. And you want to know the y values when x equals, let's say, 0, 1, 2, and so forth. So what you need to do is you want to go to table. So press second graph for table. So notice when x equals negative 8, y value is 111. When x equals negative 6, y value is 73, and so forth. Now you could change the increments by going to table setup. So let's go to second window for the table setup. And let's change the delta table to 1 and see what happens. And go to table. So now everything is increasing by 1 for x values, and it's giving you the corresponding y values. And you could use the arrow to go up, and you could use the arrow to go down and give you other y values. Now also, let's go to y, and let's put one more y value. Let's say 3x. And let's go to table. Now it's giving you y values for y1 and y2 for the x values. And you could keep on creating y3, y4, and I believe up to y9 or y10. Now, what if you want to find, let's say, negative 7.5? Well, what you could do is you go to table setup, and you could go to ask for independent. So use your arrow and press enter and go to table. So you want to find negative 7.5, press enter, and it gives you the y values. Let's say you want to find 1.3. Press enter, and it gives you the y values. Now let's say you only want to know the y values for y1 without deleting y2. What you need to do is go to y2, and if you want to keep the equation, just press enter, and make sure the cursor was on above the equal sign. So go up. So notice, only y1, the equal sign is highlighted. This means it's only going to give you the graph of y1 only and y values of y1 only. So go to graph. Notice it only graphs y1. And when you go to table, it only gives you the y values of y1. So hopefully this helps. And now go ahead and try it on your own.